Hello students. On the behalf of Adisop Limited, welcome you from Odhyan team. Today let us show you how to join online class through Odhyan Students portal. First, open your browser, then enter the URL address in the address bar. So the URL would be BMSC BHAKA Dhaka .edu.bt. Then click it. Here is the official website of BM Model School and College Dhaka. From here, you have to click on fee payment. Click it. Now here is another tab open here and you will see the students portal here. In the left corner, you will see the student ID and student password box. Please enter your ID in the ID box. So the ID would be we entered an ID as an example. You can enter your own ID. So we have entered the ID and the password. Now click here to log in. Click on it. Now you have entered the students portal dashboard. In the dashboard, on the upper side, you will see certain options here. From the options, you will select LMS. Now you will see three boxes below. One shows online exam, then another is homework and assignments, another is classroom management. To join online class, you have to select classroom management. Under the classroom management, you will find view details. Click on view detail. So here is your class. You will see your everyday class schedules here, and here is the time. You can see the date and time from here. Under status, you will see the status. If the class is not started, you will see here not start yet. If the class is running, you will see running. And when the class is expired, you will see here expired. In the very right corner of the portal, you will see an action button. Under action panel, you will see join. Click on join. So here is a here is notification. Here is our pop-up is blocked from here. So if your pop-up is blocked, so please allow to open your pop-up option. So here we are, and from here we close the open our block pop-up windows. Again we went here and click on join. So here is our class, and now it will be automatically started. And here is your class. Obviously, we'll join the class with your computer audio, and if you are using microphone, then select test speaker and microphone. Now this is your class. After the class is ended, please select on leave, and you will see leave meeting and click on it. So this is all for today. Thank you.